Circular motion, the invisible force that keeps us spinning. Let's step into a spinning merry-go-round, a childhood favorite that also doubles as a physics lesson. As it picks up speed, you feel like you're being hurled outward, clutching the rails for dear life. But here's the twist. That outward pull you feel? It's an illusion. The real hero keeping you on the ride is the centripetal force, constantly pulling you toward the center and preventing you from flying off into the playground. What is centripetal force? Centripetal force is the silent force behind every curve and spin in our universe. Without it, objects in motion wouldn't curve. They'd shoot straight off into a tangent. This force pulls inward, keeping you locked into a circular path, whether you're on a merry-go-round, a roller coaster, or even orbiting Earth. Centripetal force is at work. Spinning through space. Satellites and planets. Now, let's go bigger. Much bigger. Imagine a satellite orbiting Earth. Why doesn't it fall straight down or drift into space? The answer is centripetal force, provided by Earth's gravity. The satellite's speed and the inward pull of gravity keep it locked in orbit, a delicate balance that has fascinated scientists for centuries. And it's not just satellites. Look at the planets in our solar system. Centripetal force, courtesy of the sun's gravity, keeps each planet on its unique elliptical path. Without it, Earth wouldn't orbit the sun. It would just drift away into the void. Talk about a planetary balancing act. Everyday spins. Cars, curves, and washing machines. Back on Earth, centripetal force is working in more familiar places. Take a car rounding a curve. The tires generate friction, which creates the centripetal force needed to keep the car on the road. But if the road is icy or the car is going too fast, friction isn't enough, and the car slides outward. That's why racetracks are designed with banked curves. These curves use gravity to help generate extra centripetal force, keeping race cars on their path even at breathtaking speeds. Now, peek inside your washing machine during the spin cycle. As the drum spins, water is flung outward through tiny holes, while your clothes are pulled inward, staying pressed against the drum's walls. This is centripetal force in action, helping you get dry clothes without soaking wet laundry. Thrills on rails, roller coasters. Nothing showcases centripetal force quite like a roller coaster. Picture yourself racing into a loop. As the coaster flips you upside down, it's centripetal force, not your seatbelt, that keeps you from falling. The faster the coaster, the stronger the inward pull, pinning you safely in place even when gravity seems to vanish. Physics doesn't just make the ride safe, it makes it thrilling. The spin of life. From playgrounds to planetary orbits, centripetal force is everywhere, quietly working to keep objects spinning in perfect circles. It's the reason satellites stay in orbit, roller coasters thrill us, and race cars hug tight curves. Next time you feel that dizzying sensation of spinning, remember, physics is at play, keeping the world in motion, one circular path at a time. The invisible forces behind everything. Take a moment and pause. Look around you. What's keeping your coffee mug on the table? How does your car stay steady on a curve? Why doesn't the Earth just fling us all into space? It's all thanks to a group of invisible allies. Forces like friction, tension, and centripetal force, they're the unsung heroes of the universe, working quietly behind the scenes to keep everything in motion and perfectly balanced. The forces we don't see, but always feel. Let's start with friction. It's the grip under your shoes as you walk, the resistance keeping your bike tires steady on the road, and even the force that stops your car when you hit the brakes. Without friction, every surface would be a slippery slope, and getting from point A to point B would feel like skating on ice, permanently. Then there's tension, the pulling force in ropes and cables. Picture a rock climber dangling hundreds of feet in the air. The rope holding them isn't just a piece of gear. It's an unbreakable promise of safety, thanks to tension working its magic. It's the same force that keeps a suspension bridge steady as thousands of cars cross every day. And centripetal force? It's the reason we stay firmly planted on a spinning merry-go-round and the very force that guides planets as they dance around the sun. Without it, satellites would drift into space and roller coasters would lose their thrilling loops. Forces shaping the world, big and small. These invisible forces don't just keep objects in motion, they shape the entire universe. Friction, tension, and centripetal force work together in perfect harmony, balancing everything from your morning commute to the orbits of planets. They're in the tires gripping the road, the cables lifting an elevator, and the spin of Earth itself. Even in the most ordinary moments, like the pen staying put on your desk or your phone sitting in your hand, forces are at play. They may be invisible, but their impact is undeniable. It's not magic, it's physics. The next time you catch yourself marveling at how the world works, remember, it's not magic, it's physics. These silent forces make the impossible possible every single day, turning chaos into order and ensuring life as we know it keeps spinning.